Apps like iOverlander and Campendium are helpful, but if you rely on them alone, you're missing out on some amazing dispersed camping spots. Take this road, for example. This is in southwest Colorado in the San Juan Mountains. It's Forest Road number 24 off of the Blanco Basin Road in Pagosa Springs. The Blanco Basin Road leads to several popular hiking trails in the area, so this is a popular area for camping. It's a beautiful area with lots of free dispersed camping available in the national forest if you know where to look. And according to iOverlander, there's only one campsite along this stretch of this forest road. And on Campendium, it doesn't even show one campsite. But switch to satellite view in Google Maps, and suddenly you can see the possibilities. Some open areas where there are already tire tracks, real potential for dispersed camping. I walked the road and found multiple great sites, none of them marked in any app. They're real, they're legal, and they're completely unlisted. And then this, at the very end of the road, a massive private campsite that could fit 10 rigs easily. It's almost as big as some campgrounds. But it's not on iOverlander, it's not on Campendium, but clearly visible if you know how to look for it. That's why I always pair apps with my own research. A few minutes of scouting online can uncover sites that most people drive right past or simply don't know exist. If you want to learn how to do this yourself, I made a tutorial that walks you through using Google Maps and Earth to find unlisted dispersed campsites. I'll link to it in the description. So don't limit yourself to what's already on the apps. Do a little homework and you'll find places that are definitely worth the extra effort, and you'll probably have them all to yourself. Have you used a similar process to find boondocking sites? Have you found some great campsites this way? Drop us some comments and tell us your story. As always, thanks for watching.